Hi guys, so I've got the EGR cooler off, which is this part here. I made the mistake of using normal water in the coolant, and what's happened is it's caused some rust. So hopefully I'll be flushing that out. So if you ever putting coolant in, make sure you don't use normal water, use distilled water, and distilled water doesn't actually rust. So my aim today is to get to the quality control valve, or the Y94 valve, because my car is having a symptom. When the car does warm up, it starts to hesitate and judder, and then when I do try and start it, it just turns off and stalls. So after doing all my research and a bit of sort of reading up on the problem, people are saying if the car is cold and you try and start the car from cold after it's been parked up for an hour, and it struggles to start, then it's your fuel pressure regulator, which is this thing at the back here. So this is a fuel rail, and that's a fuel pressure sensor. Because mine's doing it when the car is warm and it starts fine, and when the fuel temperature gets above 15-20 degrees, that's when it causes me a problem. So today that's what I'll be doing, and I'll keep you posted. So the initial step is to take all the 6 screws out. These 3 top ones are easy. That one's not too bad. That one's easy. The difficult one is to get to the middle one, and the way to get it is you feel for it from underneath, from here, and then you make a very long extension like this, and then when you feed it underneath like this, then you can get to it, as you can see, because that's what I struggled with last time. So the next job would be to take the EGR pipe out, and then I need to take off this elbow. Below this I've got the boost pressure sensor, and then I've got the throttle valve. It's like the accelerator flap in layman's terms. Once that's out of the way, I may need to remove this as well, just to get better access. And then the fuel pump is housed behind here. You can't see it at the moment, and the valve that I need to replace is approximately there. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. After 40,000 miles, let's have a look at the EGR. Oh my god, that can't be healthy. Disgusting. I had this cleaned just last 2 years ago, and it's got this bad again. Looks like I need an EGR delete. Oh boy, bad news. Oh, look at the state of that. I had this super cleaned. That is not looking good. 40,000 miles can just do this. Something's going wrong. So that's the EGR and DPF delete coming soon. So I've just taken the manifold elbow pipe off, previously cleaned. It was like brand new. As you can see, it's absolutely caked up. There we are. So I've put my finger in it, and you can see it's quite dirty. That's in 40,000 miles of just motorway driving. I do not drive this car locally. This is all motorway mileage. So guys, reconsider when it comes to EGR delete and DPF. So EGR delete and DPF is what you want, and that will prevent all these exhaust gases from becoming like this. So guys, this is the quality control valve. I was trying to find a video of it to see what the access is like. So you don't need to take the intake manifold off. That's the quality control valve. This thing here with a green mark on it, little bastard that is, it's caused me loads of problems. So we've got a brand new one, a Febby one. And just to let you know, the Febby ones are actually genuine Mercedes ones, with the part number, the Mercedes part number's actually been scratched off. So Febby do make the part for Mercedes. It costs about 160 quid. But there you are.